Hey you guys, back with another video. This is a hair one. It's Cocotique. Don't know what happened. They sent me a box. I didn't pay. Nothing on my statement, so let's open this bad boy up. I know it's kind of late. It's about to be March, so let's see what they gave me this time. Another bag. So let's take this bag out. I love bubble wrap. Okay. So this is a self-care one. So I thought the self-care one was from December. Oh, this is all about love. So this tells you everything that you get inside the box. They have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And it's usually a coupon code for some of them. I think this one down here. So if you want to pause the video, you can do that. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, I got a lot of stuff. Oh, I heard about Cocotique before. I have a little bit of their face stuff. So, hug tag, you're it. Hug us back. So I'll see them on YouTube. I mean, Instagram. So I'm not really sure what these are for. So let's see right here. They tell us. I'm thinking that was like an extra gift because I don't see Cocotique on here at all. So these are gummies, I guess, that you eat. I'm not really sure what they do and what they're for, but yeah, I think it's for your face or something like that. Oh, see? So this is cocoa butter and biotin. It's lymph retention. There's 2 steps. They're both this is deep conditioner mask, and this is protective glaze to seal the cuticle, increase shine. This one says you get 5 minutes of results. This is from Palmer's. So this is together. I'm not really a cocoa butter fan either. So yeah, that's probably in a giveaway or just give it to somebody. So this is another. Oh, so I got a little couple of things with it. Okay. So this is the cleanser and the moisturizer. A little sample. I do have the face cream. The cleanser. You basically wash your face like you wash your face. It says, just like your grandma say, wash your face. And the next thing is the custom formula. You could customize your stuff to your face routine and basically what your face is like. If it's oily, dry, breakout. And then the moisturizer to keep your face hydrated all day long. The moisturizer actually does work. That's what I have. And here's another thing with 20% off. It's Live Cocoa. L-A-V, not L-O-V. Vita Bath. Ooh, okay. I got a lot of stuff. Okay, so this is body wash. This is lavender and chamomile. Okay, I don't like lavender either. I know, I'm weird. I can smell it. Yeah, it's okay. So it's paraben and dye free. It has lots of stuff in it. I see aloe vera juice. Yeah. Coffee. Fruit extracts and other stuff like that. Okay. So, Palmer's cocoa butter formula is cocoa butter and biotin. This is the leave-in conditioner. It's new. It's color safe, so good because my hair is colored. The Tangle Heat Protector and Moisturizer. Heat protected, huh? Okay. And it says recycle me, you guys. So let's do a little smell test, like I always do. It's my cocoa butter. Not a fan of cocoa butter either, you guys. I'm not a fan of a lot of smells. Okay, so we got some more Vita Bath. This is body cream, lavender chamomile. This is caution. This is for adults only. Both of these are for adults, so please don't get to see your kids, you guys. Please don't. This is length retention. Oh, this is a little all together. See, that's what I like about Cocotique instead of Curl Kit. Everything, you get like everything together. So this is the conditioner. It's color safe as again. Everybody know how to condition their hair. It's okay. I might actually try this line out. It's not like overwhelming smell to where I'll be like, ugh, I can't take it. So it's, oh, sorry. This is 8.5 fluid ounces. This is 1 ounce. These are 0.5 ounces, 50 milliliters. This is 12 ounces, and this is 12 ounces as well. So this is the shampoo. It has vitamins and antioxidants. Oh, it's a pleasant smell. I like this one. So that was pretty good. Okay, so we're almost done with this. So this is Pacific Beauty number 2 advanced dark spot corrector pads. Oh, okay. Need that. I got little dark spots. Let's open this little. Oh, smell pretty good. So this is from California. So it helps brighten even your skin tone and calms it, like it soothes it and all the other stuff. Like your skin's irritated or anything. So this is Sakura. What did it say? Oh, yep, Sakura Cosmetics. It's a 60-second gentle oh, this is directions. Exfoliate your skin, improves skin hydration and elasticity, improves penetration of skincare products. It's for all skin types. It's for acne, blackheads, whiteheads, and large pores. Direction or instructions. So you use this once a week because it's an exfoliator. Your face, make sure if you use this, remember to hold on, I'm trying to see what this is because I feel like it's something hard. Oh, you guys, I'm going to rip this bad boy open. Got it. Look, you put this on your face, I don't know what you do, but it lasts 3 months. So I think this is pretty cool, whatever it is. It's a glass face lens with mineral abrasion surface for a face hydro microdermabrasion that does not require any gels or cream. It says you'll see visible results after your first use. Alright. It got patented technology. It got silica in it. So with this, so you soak this with water and you do a gentle circular motion with it. You put it on your face and neck without pressure. Do not repeat in the same area more than once. And you rinse your face with water and dry with a soft towel, like you dab it off. It says it shouldn't take more than 60 seconds. It says do not treat on skin growths like warts or any open wounds or scabs. So if you have any wounds and scabs, do not put that on here. I mean, do not put it on there. So I'm about to try it out because I never used glass on my face before. Something new. So right here we got the Shine Glaze Serum. I guess it's the last step. It locks in moisture and adds shine to. Alright, got my battery died. Don't remember what I was saying, but this is Shine Glaze Serum. It smells really good. So Palmer's is family owned and operated. That's what it says. So you can put this on your hair and your scalp as well. These are soft and shiny. And the last thing we got in here is, it's called Fleur MV Rose and Shine Refreshing Rose Water Toner. Natural ingredients, no nasty toxins. This is 2 ounces. And up here, I don't know if you guys can see it. It says ingredients made from the earth. It's 100% vegan. So you spritz on your face in the morning and nightly refresh. Use before serum or moisturizer. So everything that's in it is water and rose flower oil. So 1% of this goes to charity, you guys, and they are on Instagram and Facebook. FLEURANDBEE as Instagram and the website. So this is toner, natural skincare. Let's do a little smell. This is 2 ounces as well. Ooh, that smells real good. That smells better than my other stuff I use. So let's do a little recap, you guys. I'm gonna start with all the Palmer's that comes together. So you got the hair mask. This is after you shampoo your hair because it's a deep conditioner. Some people do it before they wash their hair, but I don't know. So you have the shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and the serum. And then you have water toner. And you got dark spot corrector pads. I'm losing my voice, you guys. And you got a glass face scrubber. You got body cream, body wash. Got little samples from Cocotique. And then got gummies. And the little cards. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoy this one. This unboxing. Yeah, I can't wait to try everything out. So yeah, pretty soon, probably like in the next month or 2, I'm going to start making videos again on my hair channel. And if you want to know about that, it is on my YouTube page as a featured channel. So you go look on my YouTube page and you'll see me there. So for this, take $10 off with this code 10 if you want to. Alright, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, my voice.